Hi and welcome to this video. I'm going to do something that I haven't done before, which is share my energy reading for the next year 2023 with you. So every year for the past 4 years, I get a word that represents the general vibe of the next year. Sometimes it comes in December, sometimes it comes in November. This year, it came super early. It came in October, and I'm so excited, and I thought, why not share my word and the energy reading for 2023 with you guys? Because why not, right? And so how did this happen? I wake up in the morning, I'm doing my Bible study, and it's been on my mind, what's the word for next year? I ask my spirit and I wait. I keep quiet and I wait for the answers to come. And so this beautiful day, I'm doing my Bible study and the word comes, and it's very simple. One word, heart. Heart. And so the word came and it says heart, and I say to myself, heart. Tell me more. So here goes. The energy reading for 2023 starts with one word, and one word for heart. Heart, when the letters are rearranges into earth. And earth is skin. Earth is what our flesh, this vessel, is made of. And the heart is the organ that generates the highest electromagnetic frequency in the body. So the heart is what powers the brain. That's why you can be brain dead and still alive, because your heart is still pumping blood. The moment your heart stops, you're dead. So the heart is a powerful, powerful, powerful force. It's what powers the body. And so the more and more we move from our heart space, the more and more we let our heart lead the way, the more and more we make decisions that are heart-centered, not necessarily head-centered, but heart-centered. Then we can make more powerful decisions. Then we can connect and make more powerful relationships. Then we can create more beautifully, and we can create products and services that are more value-packed. Why? Because we are moving from our heart space. And since the heart generates the highest frequency, the highest electromagnetic frequency, it means that we are supercharging the year. It means that 2023 will be power-packed, supercharged. The word for 2022 was movement. Move, keep it going, don't stop for anything. And this year has been amazing, out of this world, just extraordinary. It's been, one thing to another. I joined the Orca family, I joined the Catalyst family, I joined the Life Coaches Association of Nigeria family, I joined the Legislative Mentorship family, and I had way more Clubhouse and IG sessions this year than ever before. It was just one thing after the other. And the movement was more of, don't think about it, don't wait for it to be perfect, just do it, keep it going. It is in that movement that will build the momentum, that will build the practice. You learn the lessons, you know what works, what doesn't work. And so with that movement, we now make our way and move into our heart space, right? Where our decisions and the way our perspective, the way we relate and engage with people, places, things, comes from a more heart-centered space. That means we'll be more in tune with our emotions, and emotional intelligence is super key, right? Because being in tune with our emotions means that we are triggering our intuition like on a whole nother level. It's like going from 3D to 5D. It's going to be mind-blowing. And it means that there's going to be a lot of love. There's just going to be so much love. So much love, so many happy faces, just joy and bliss all around. I know it might sound foreign to some people, especially if you've gone through a lot of hardship, if you've gone through a lot of heartbreak. But you see, all of that perceived negative occurrences, they are simply a foundation for you to realize that the pathway to healing comes from the heart, where you learn to forgive, where you learn to let go, where you learn to move past your mistakes and forgive yourself. So it's more about going inwards and putting yourself first in a way that you realize that the more and more you honor yourself, you create the space and the seeds to honor others, because you cannot give what you don't have. Right? If you don't have self-love, there's no way you can love other people. If you don't value yourself, there's no way you can value others. If you don't celebrate your joys, your wins, your losses, celebrate everything about you, good, bad, ugly, whatever. If you're not able to do that with yourself, to yourself, with yourself, then you can't do that with, to, for others, right? Your gifts, your blessings, your manifestations, yes, they come from you on the inside to enjoy, but they're even more enjoyable and more glorious when you share with other people. And that's why CEOVIP motto is there is love in sharing, and that love comes from your heart space. Right? So the energy and the charge coming from the heart will be supercharged and will create massive momentum, because we have built such movement. And so that heart space of 2023 will be like a recognition of the hard work that you've put in over the years. And when you are magnetized and you are electrified because you're moving from your heart space, you don't have to move so much, because you're moving so much from the inside. People, places, things will start to attract themselves towards you. You start to attract all of the people, places, things, ideas, situations, circumstances that will supercharge your goals, would manifest your vision, your goals, your dreams. And you don't have to struggle so hard anymore. Right? You don't have to sweat so hard anymore, because now you've done the work. You have put in the effort, you've made the mistakes. Now you have laid the foundation, and you can now start to build on that foundation from a heart-centered space. And this heart space is your gateway to a quantum reality, where things just happen on a high frequency, and you find that you start to attract the people who are vibrating on that same level. Every person, place, thing, idea is not a coincidence, is meant to be, because there is a lesson there. That perspective and that understanding, you're taking that into 2023. So now you've fought those battles. You no longer attract those disagreeable entities that will come to test you. No, because you've learned those lessons. Now you're attracting just the people who are vibing on the same high frequency with you, right? Because your energy and the electromagnetic force that is surrounding you, your aura, is so supercharged because it's coming from your heart, and it's so strong and so powerful that any disagreeable entity cannot even come close to you. That is why, even though you walk through the valley of shadow of death, you fear no evil, because the Lord is with you, and He has prepared a table before you in the presence of your enemies. They cannot touch you, because that's just the vibe and the frequency that you are on. And so you have the confidence, you have the energy, you have the power to stand strong and stay grounded, centered, and powerful in your identity from your heart, to make powerful decisions and to lead people and to create value and just to be as awesome and great as you know that you are. It's your turn. It's your time to shine. It's your time to let the world see the glory of God in your life, and it's going to be so epic. I can't wait. So that is the word, and that is the energy reading for 2023. It's amazing. I can feel it already, and I'm so excited for you. I'm so excited for me. I'm so excited for us. And this vibration, this energy is what the world needs right now. As you watch this video and as you pick up on the vibe, pick up on the energy, pick up on the frequency, we're passing on that energy. And I want you to share this video with your tribe. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, especially share. You want to move with as many people as possible, because the more and more people you are able to gather into your tribe, the more and more you're able to like gather that energy and just make it a giant ball of light, a giant ball of fire, and you can just fire all your enemies as they are coming at you and just win this victory and win this battle and just go on and on and on. I can go on forever, but I will stop here. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.